Okay, I know this doesn't look much right now, but in a few months, you won't be able to recognize this.
Hello there.
Let me take you through and show what we are working at, what we decide, what we avoid, and what goes behind the scene. Let me take you through, come on. As you enter every site, अब जो भी साइट पे एंटर करोगे, you will see signature homes का project brief. You will see that project title is 500 square yard, project date is 1 June. Overview क्या है, theme क्या है इस project की. इस project की theme जो है that is modern luxury. And the team working on this project is the Alpha 2 team. You have got the overview, the timeline and everything. This is the way we work on every side. Musab, please show the full project brief. This is the way we work. This is called a systematic approach, and our approaches have been same on each and every side. This is the lounge of this project. So this is the massive double-heighted lounge. As you can see, it actually is coming to life step by step, process by process. So यहाँ पे there was this one concept कि we wanted a dining area plus a media wall, a secondary media wall. So यहाँ पे we are doing the dining area right now. It looks very rough right now. It looks very messy, but that's a part of it. You can see the dining wall and you can see the pattern behind it. This pattern, this whole slab, it looks on a warm tone, on a beige tone, a natural earthy tone, I'd say.
Hello
And
there.
it only looks good once the dining comes in. That is the whole thing with it. Little detail about this media wall. This is the place जहाँ पे a lot of people cut cost. जितने कॉन्ट्रैक्टर होते हैं ना फील्ड्स के अंदर, most of them cut costs here, and it annoys me. Why? It's a little extra expense, but it brings it to life. And what I actually mean is कि ये जो wall है ना, when we get this wall, it's in builder condition wall sometimes, या फिर हमें जब मिलती है construction condition में, तो इसके ऊपर waves होती हैं. It's not flat. It has got ups and down, bumps होते हैं इसके ऊपर. So what most of them do is they'll just build over it as it is. So it never looks flat. उसके अंदर जो एक ease होता है ना, वो that doesn't ease. It doesn't look seamless. So what we actually do is we flatten it first. हम इसको flat करते हैं पूरा, and then we work on top of it. What that actually does, it gives it the seamless look, and it eases into the design itself. So let me take you upstairs. Upstairs is a little bit more messier than this, but it's taking shape. Most people don't realize that interior designing is about consistency. You don't just come on day one and you say that it's done. As you can see, this is a bedroom. This is not the master bedroom. This is one of the kids' bedroom. यहाँ पे it's taking shape. There is nothing right now, as you can see. Okay, so let me show you the swimming pool of this modern villa. Pardon me, there is a lot of noise right now, so I hope you can hear me very clearly. So this is the swimming pool area. As you can see, we are doing a little mosaic artwork pool के अंदर. The side walls you can see we have done right now. The flooring is remaining, and the very special thing is this drain right here. Let me just sit down and show you. This drain is specifically 3 inches, and what makes it better is that 3 inches is the most optimal size for a drainage. We could do 4, but I think 4 would take the breathing space away from this area. इसलिए we kept it at 3 ताकि एक breathing space रहे यहाँ पे. As you can see, they are working over there as well. Pool के अंदर भी completions हो रही है. And one more important thing is that because it is the basement, so we need to have some vent exhaust, as people would call it, ventilation. So we have got exhaust fans right over there, 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th one as well. Everything is very much planned. You can see the beam over here, the columns over here. Everything is planned, accordingly. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि it's coming out of the place या उसकी कोई identity नहीं है. As you can see over here, यहाँ पे हमारा जो है tile work हो रहा है. As you can see, these guys, they are working very hard, and one of these things is they are trying to keep them together. इससे होता है ये joints जो हैं, they keep the joints together, right? तो आप लोग कोशिश कर रहे हो इसको joint को करीब रखने की, joints को कम से कम रखने की कोशिश है आपकी. Yeah, as you can see, he's not very much interested, but we could definitely tell. The one thing जो मैं personally देखता हूँ हमेशा tiles के अंदर, that is the seamless look of it. And I think यहाँ पे the seamless look of it is really catching my eye. And when you see from afar, जब आप इसका पैटर्न दूर से देखते हो थोड़ा सा, so you realize how beautiful it actually is. आ जाओ यहीं से आ जाओ, कोई मसला नहीं. So that's what makes it absolutely good, absolutely amazing, I'd say. Come over here. Let me show you the drawing room. This is the drawing room. इस drawing room के लिए मुझे अभी भी याद है when the first day we met, brief was very simple के थोड़ा सा luxury सा एक royal सा look चाहिए. And the thing with brief is कि ख्वाब देखना is easy, brief देना is very easy, but when it comes to actual execution, actual reality, it's a lot different. So what you see right now, you won't be able to tell कि हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे या how it's going to come together. But in the end, trust me, it's going to come together just fine. It's going to have its own look. The team is working here overnight, I'd say. So what I say is every house should be bespoke. Every dream should be catered to the one who is dreaming it. Every dream should be bespoke, I'd say. And this was one of our sites. It's been a while since I've shown you. And there's one more thing. A lot of noise. The other thing is we have also got some birds over here. These are owners, of course, and they put it on the side. Very cute. कौन सी bird होती है? Do you know? कोई नाम? Any idea? Let's ask someone. भाई साहब, ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको? तोते. और ऊपर वाले भी तोते. ये सारे तोते हैं. कोई नाम होता है इनका? मालिक को पता होगा. As you heard, ये सारे तोते हैं. Actually very beautiful, very pleasant. माशाल्लाह. Look very nice. आ जाओ. कोई मसला नहीं, आ जाओ. So these are some of the things that you don't see on site. The messy bits, we never seem to see them. आपको हमेशा साइट एक इसके perfect form के अंदर, एक perfect look के अंदर ही मिलती है, but when you actually come on site, you actually realize how messy and how brutal it is to just come at a site like this. And I'll tell you one more fact, I'll tell you one more thing. Today was a good day. We have spent a good 15 minutes, 20 minutes on this site. We have seen what we had to. We took a look at everything, and what I'd say is I'll not call this day the most productive. कि आज बहुत ज़्यादा हमें प्रोडक्टिविटी मिली, बहुत ज़्यादा हमने करा, but that's the nature of it. You can never be satisfied with the workforce that is being put in the site. You always want more from your guys. This is the nature of being an interior designer, of being a business. So consistency is what matters, and I'm pretty grateful to the team, grateful to everyone working on this site, and in a few months I'll show you what it turned out to. See you guys. हो गया खत्म.